Today I will show you our new type of custom field. It's called hierarchy values. And the point with this field is that I can connect and create a hierarchy structure between some custom fields. So let's start with the first level by clicking here, hierarchy value. As it is the first level, I do not select anything here as a mother level. And then let's name it level A. Now I can select which options should be available for my level A. And I click Save. Then I create another hierarchy field where I select level A as the mother level. Let's call this level B. Now you see the options that I created for level A, and for each of them I can fill in values. So let's say for level X, ABC is available. For level Y, here we go for DEF. And then I'm just going to change the order, so when we look at the style, they will appear like this. And then I simply just update my interface to see the two new fields. I start to choose X, and then you see that ABC becomes available. If I choose Y here, then it's DEF. By this, I can organize my data and make sure that I have a structure that fits for all the other systems I'm using. And this information is of course available in our integration exports. Have fun!